Hey, Lily.
Hey, Aisha.
How are you? You too. I am so excited, but I gotta tell you, I mean, you obviously know that I'm a chef, but you have to explain to me, what is Invesco QQQ?
Yeah, of course. So Invesco QQQ is an ETF that invests in 100 of the largest companies listed on the NASDAQ, ex financials.
So someone who's like me and not really savvy, this is kind of a surefire way that you don't have to pick the companies, but everything is kind of chosen for you?
Yes, absolutely. So with those 100 names, you get a lot of diversification. You don't have to think about which companies go in there.
Oh, I love that. All right.
Tell me about what's been going on with you.
I have 2 restaurants. I really focus on like hyper-seasonal Middle Eastern food. It's really fun. I think I'm constantly trying to innovate and create. The restaurant industry is a tough industry, but when you have the passion for it and the tenacity, I think it's like an all-giving one. I think hospitality is at the forefront, and I have to tell you that cooking is my love language. So to be able to create every day and feed people through, I guess, my culinary lens has been just such an enriching part of my life.
I love to cook. Definitely not a professional like yourself, but I see there's so many similarities between putting together a recipe and putting together an ETF. All these different ingredients that go into a basket that ultimately create a product.
I don't know much about investing, but you're teaching me so much right now.
It's really easy. You just have to jump in and get started.
It's true. It's just like pulling back like that curtain, right? Mm-hmm. Like the wizardry behind it. And it's pretty simple once you learn the basics of it.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Perfect.
Before investing, consider the fund's investment objectives, risks, charges, and expenses. Visit Invesco.com for a prospectus with this information. Read it carefully before investing.